Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to be playing with this February 2021 card kit from Simon Says Stamp. I got it and then I never really played with it. I was so busy with so much else in my life. So I'm gonna just use up some of the supplies. Also going along with this month's theme of Smash Our Stash, which is using up a card kit. I don't think I'm going to use up the whole card kit, but I will use up some of the papers and see what I come up with. As you can see, it comes with this beautiful pattern paper. So I will be using some of this. I'll probably use the stencil that came with it as well, and some of this Arena K Electro Pop Neon Glitz in this beautiful neon pink. So let's get started. Okay, while those two panels are set aside to dry, I'll play with the pattern paper for now. So I'm going to start by cutting out these cut aparts so I can use those as sentiments on some cards. All right, I'm gonna finish up these cards using the pattern paper. Let's see, I've gotten 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 using the cut aparts. I'm just gonna finish them all off the way I did this one. Probably gonna put a little image from the smaller stamp set here. Maybe one of these candies. Yep. So I'll stamp those, cover them up, and be right back. And hopefully by then, these will be dry and I'll be able to finish them. Be right back. All right, I've put together the cards with pattern paper as well as the ones that I used the Electro Pop neon glitz on. I let them dry. I stamped a couple of images from the stamp set and put these cards together. So there's a version on black paper. There's a version on white. Really like the way they came out. This one I didn't finish off yet, but I think I'm gonna die cut a large sentiment and put it on the front of that one. And then these I just finished off with some pattern paper on the inside. Strips of pattern paper left over. And then originally I was going to stamp and color. Well, I did stamp, but I didn't color. Some of these images from the Sweet Truffles stamp set that came in the kit, and then put those on the inside. But since we're supposed to be smashing our kit, I couldn't smash the whole kit, but I did smash the neon glitz paste. That I finished up, and I did that by adding it to the bottom corner on the inside of the card. I think it looks really pretty there using the stencil. So I did that on a few. And that one. So I have some images left over. I'll just save them and color them another day. And of course I keep the stamp set. The neon glitz is empty. I can throw that container away. And then let's see how many cards I ended up making. Let's count them. I made 11 cards using the February Simon Says Stamp monthly kit that I had yet to play with. Let me know in the comments below which card is your favorite. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.